Hi guys, and welcome to the tutorial where we will explain how you can create a business cash app account. So if you're interested, let's jump right in. First things first, open the Cash app on your phone. Once you're in the app, look to the top right corner and tap on your profile icon, that little circle with your initials or photo. This will take you to your account settings. Now, from the profile menu, go ahead and tap on Personal. This is where your basic account info is stored. Scroll all the way down, and you'll see an option that says Switch to Business Account. Tap on that. This is where things start to get exciting. When you switch to a business account on Cash App, you unlock several key benefits. For starters, you'll receive a business badge on your account. This helps customers and clients know they're paying a verified business. You'll also get transparent transaction fees, no hidden charges, and most importantly, tax documentation support. That includes Form 1E99K, which Cash App will automatically prepare for you when your transactions hit a certain threshold. So, it's a win-win for both credibility and compliance. Once you tap to switch, Cash App will ask you to select your business type. You'll see options like individual sole proprietor, LLC, corporation, or nonprofit. If you're a freelancer or self-employed, just go ahead and choose individual. But if you have a registered business, select the structure that applies to you. From there, you'll be asked to provide some basic business information: your business name, the location where you're operating from, and a few more details.